Did you know you can build an awesome PC without spending a fortune? Let's dive into some money-saving hacks. Step 1. Stop buying individual parts. Look for motherboard and CPU combos instead. You'll save a ton and might find some crazy deals. Step 2. Graphics cards. For NVIDIA, go for the RTX 2070 or 2060. On the AMD side, snag a Radeon RX 5700 XT or RX 6600 XT. Great performance without the high price tag. Step 3. Power supply. Always buy brand new unless you can verify the voltage. You don't want to risk frying your new rig. Step 4. Storage and RAM. These are usually priced similarly whether used or new, so get them new unless you find a killer deal. Finally, find your own case and cooling system. Subscribe for more tips, and if you